Hey YouTube, it's Nurse T and I am back with another video. In this video, I will be taking you guys along with me to stay up with me tonight. Remember in my last video, I mentioned to you guys that I stay up on Sunday nights, the night before my 3-day stretch. Well, it's Sunday night and it is 11:57 p.m. So I have several things that I have to get done tonight, so I will be taking you guys along with me. Okay, this is an example of what I eat in a work week. This week I am working 3 days, so I decided to meal prep to make it a lot easier for me to just grab and go the things that I need to eat. So for breakfast, I usually would have a piece of fruit and a granola bar, and this is what I would eat when I come home from working my shifts. Something very light. Most times, I would just drink some water and just go to bed because I'm really not hungry, because I may eat lunch maybe like 3-4 o'clock in the morning, so I wouldn't eat. So for lunch, which I would probably eat, I would say in between the hours of 1 and 4 a.m. I usually try to eat salads, and on this salad, this is just one that I prepared at home. This is just a bag salad mix, and I cut up eggs, cucumbers, tomatoes, onions, and multicolored bell peppers. And I would usually eat this. Sometimes I would eat it just plain like this with some salad dressing, or if I would like to add meat, I would do like grilled shrimp or rotisserie chicken, or I would add like tuna. And this is what I would eat when I get up before I leave the house to go to work. I would eat this. So I kind of do it in the reverse way, but it works for me. So this is just zucchini noodles that I spiralize with my spiralizer, and then I saute some shrimp, some peppers, some mushrooms, and onions, and I just mixed it all together. It's very simple, it's very tasty. I did not add any sauce to this, but you can add sauce to this. You can add Alfredo. I've done it with Alfredo sauce before. You can also add red sauce or pesto sauce, and it's really good. So I have 2 of those, and then to split it up, this is just rotisserie chicken. I like to have one on hand, and then some broccoli casserole. I will link the video. I actually have a video that I recorded where I just meal prep this whole entire thing, so I will link that in the description box if you are interested in watching that. But other than that, this is what gets me through the week. Very light, very easy, and low carb, so I don't get really sleepy at night. And then I have my water, and then to snack, I would just snack on almonds or boiled eggs or crackers or anything real quick and easy to grab. Okay, YouTube, it is finally time for me to go to bed. My husband is already going to work. It is now 7:51 a.m. My daughter's getting ready to go to school. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I hope you enjoyed it. You want to say something? This is Destiny, my daughter, and that's Penny. Always got to be extra. All right, guys, I hope you have a good day. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching.